Hello dear children, welcome to my channel MSP Educator. Students, today we are going to learn standard 5th math subject lesson number 2 number work, the expanded form of a number and the place value of digit. This topic we are going to cover in this video, okay? The place value of the digit first of all we will see. And dear students, why we are finding the place value of the digit? Can you guess? What is the need to find out the place value of the digit? Look at the place value of every digit in 77,77,777. You have to observe this number carefully. All the digits from this number are same, but their place values are different according to their places. Now, how it is that we will see. Observe this chart given below. Here the first row is of the places. See units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. And the next row is of the number. Okay. This is your the rightmost first digit. Okay. And it is on the units place. That's why it is written single. See, like this horizontally you are going to observe. It is written single means only 7 is written over here under the unit place. Now we will go for the second place, that is tens place. As we know, tens means it is having 2 digits only. That's why write down here 7 under the tens place. And children, you are going to put a 0 on the unit place. Okay, because a simple trick is there to write the place value of any of the digit. You are going to count the digits. We are how many digits or how many places are present to the right of the digit. Here only one place is present to the right of this tens place. That's why only 10 you are going to put over here. Understood? You all are going to remember this trick. Every time I am going to tell you this one, so it will be automatically remembered to you. Okay. Now see the third place, that is 100 place. Again put here 7 under the 100 place and count the places to the right of the 100 place. See 1 and 2. That's why you are going to put 2 zeros. Okay, on this 7. So that it will be 3 digit number. Like this horizontally you are going to observe. It is a 3 digit number. Yes, understood? Henna a simple trick. See now the 1000 place. Again put 7 under the 1000 place and count the places to the right of the 1000 place. 1, 2, 3. That's why put 3 zeros in front of this 7 or to the right of the 7, so that it will be a 4 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1000 number is of the 4 digit number, right? Now see the 10,000 place. Again put 7 and count the places to the right of the 10,000 place. See 1, 2, 3, 4. So after this 7 you are going to put the 4 zeros, then it will be a 5 digit number. Understand children? 10,000 place is of the 5 digit number. Now lakh place. Again the lakh place is having 6 digit number. So how it is 6 digit number, that we will see. Put 7 under the lakh place and count the places to the right of the lakh place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down 5 zeros in front of this 7 or to the right of the 7. Then it will be 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, total are 6 digits. Now 10 lakh place. Again put 7 under the 10 lakh place and count the places which are present to the right of the 10 lakh place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So after that 7 you are going to put 6 zeros. Yes. Then it will be a 7 digit number. As we know that the 10 lakh place is 7 digit number. Now children, you understood these place values very well. In the number 77,77,777, the digit in each place is 7, but its place value is different. And how it is different, we just see here. Okay, now we will see the expanded form of the number. Yes children, we have studied how to find the place values of the digits from a number, and we are going to do the use of that place values while writing the expanded form of a number. Okay, now how the method of writing the expanded form of a number, that I am going to tell you. When we write the place values of the digits as an addition, we get the expanded form of the number. Okay, means जो भी हम place values निकालते हैं digits का, उनका अगर हम एडिशन के फॉर्म में उनको अगर हम लिखेंगे तो हम नंबर का एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म लिखते हैं, ऐसा हम बोलते हैं. ओके, सो द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म ऑफ द नंबर 38,94,067 इज. यहाँ पर अभी आप लोगों को सारे डिजिट्स का प्लेस वैल्यू सबसे पहले फाइंड आउट करके लिखना है और उनको एडिशन के फॉर्म में इस तरह से आपको लिखना है. सी दिस 3. First of all, you are going to write, for writing the place value of 3, then count how many digits are there to the right of the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 3 you are going to put how many zeros? 6 zeros. ओके, 3 और 3 के ऊपर आपको 6 zeros लिखना है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 3 के आगे 6 zeros है राइट साइड में, 6 digits है राइट साइड में. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, that's why it is the correct place value of 3. Like this you are going to find out each digit's place value and put plus sign between each of the place value. Then this is called as the expanded form of the number. Okay, understood now? Similarly, the expanded form of 64,08,307. Here also you are going to write each and every digit's place value as I told you. Okay, और जहाँ पर आपको डिजिट नहीं दिया है, मीन्स ज़ीरो दिया है, तो आप उस प्लेस पे सिंगल ज़ीरो भी लिख सकते हैं, या फिर आप वहाँ पर उस ज़ीरो को स्कीप भी कर सकते हो. लाइक दिस ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट बाय स्कीपिंग द ज़ीरो डिजिट place. Okay, it can also be written as like this. Okay, observe it carefully. Now write the number from the expanded form. अभी हम एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म हमें क्वेश्चन के रूप में यहाँ पर हमको दिया हुआ है और उसको हम क्या करेंगे, उसका हम नंबर तैयार करेंगे. ठीक है, हियर वी हैव 5 इन द लैक्स प्लेस. देखो, दिस इज 5 lakh. ओके, इट इज 6 digit number, that's why it is 5 lakh. 3 is in the 10,000 place. 3 कौन से प्लेस पर है? इट इज on the 10,000 place, means it is total 5 digit number, means it is a 10,000 place. And 7 in the 100 place and 5 in the unit place. 5 कहाँ पर है? यूनिट प्लेस पर है. यहाँ पर आपको टेंस प्लेस दिख रहा है क्या? नो, there are no digits in the thousands place and in the tens place also. 1000 place भी हमें यहाँ पर नहीं दिख रही है, 4 digit number भी नहीं दिख रहा है और 2 digit number भी हमें यहाँ पर नहीं दिख रहा है. Hence we write 0 in those places. जब हम नंबर तैयार करेंगे तब 1000 place पर और tens place पर हम क्या लिखेंगे? 0 लिखेंगे. Therefore the number is 5,30,705. See children, यहाँ पर हमने 1000 प्लेस पे भी ज़ीरो डाला है और यूनिट प्लेस पर भी हमने ज़ीरो डाला है. अंडरस्टैंड? सॉरी, टेंस प्लेस पर भी हमने यहाँ पर ज़ीरो डाला है, तो हमारा बराबर 5 लाख वाला नंबर तैयार हो जाता है. ओके, नाउ इन द नंबर 83,46,504 द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ द अंडरलाइन डिजिट 8 and 6, means only the underlined digits place value you are going to find out here. That's why 8 is in the 10 lakh place, hence its place value is like this, 80 lakh. Okay, and 6 in the 1000 place, hence its place value is 6,000. Understood children? I hope you all understood today's topic very well, and I tried my level best to explain each and every difficult term which is new for you, right? And then also, if you are having any doubts about the topic, you can ask me in the comment section below this video, okay? I will definitely give its answer, and your comments are very important for me, children. And I am reading your comments, and I like your comments also. Yes? So children, thank you for watching this video.